Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. It is day 21 of 25 Days of Christmas with Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter. Ooh, what am I going to do after the 25? I ain't going to have no presents to open every day. But this was fun. I'm loving it. So, let's see. I think it's got a cover on. I think it's plastic. Maybe it's homemade. Ooh, shall we see? This woman takes. Oh, it says gnome for the holidays. It's got a gnome on top. Oh, it's got gnomes all the way around. Oh, there's stuff in this. I thought that was like the decoration. Let's see what's in it. So this is the cover. Gnome for the holidays. Cute. Let's see. Oh, she got this thing stuffed. Ooh, look at the different colored pom-poms. Ooh, I love these dark colors. It's like dark green, a light green, a dark red, and a brown, and a light brown. Isn't it pretty? Man. Oh, they're called plum. Plum. I didn't see these in my Dollar Tree. Them are cool. Okay, let's see. Pulling out another. Ooh. This one is called, oh, they're all called plum. Ooh, look at them. They're like pastels. Them are cool. And we got some red ones that got those little spikes coming off, I call it. See? So it's got like glittery. And we got two of them like that. And look at the container with all the little gnomes. Oh, it's going to go in my kitchen. I might just put my puffballs in there. Not pack this away at Christmas. Just use it for puffballs. I've outgrown my other puffball container, guys. I have. This is so cool. I have not seen these. These I have seen because I bought some myself, but I could always use them. These are awesome. I want to check these out. Let's see. Oh, they're a puffball, but they're like more. They're like more like a yarn ball kind of thing. So I'm gonna put these new ones in this container. These I ain't gonna open because I don't need them open at the moment, so I'll put those in a different spot. These, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna keep this in my craft room all year long. I don't care if it's Christmas or not. It's gnomes. Damn, I'm gonna have to look for some of those at my Dollar Tree because I don't like those. They are so pretty. Don't they even look just pretty in the container, not even being used? That just sits there like this. Looks cool. So, Sabrina, thank you so much. I love them. Them are awesome. This is day 21, guys. 21. The countdown's almost done. So, Merry Christmas, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.